The unified multi-language installer brings all supported languages together in a single TurboCAD application. There is no need to install separate language versions. Choose your preferred language during setup and change it anytime later from within the application. A quick selection and restart update the interface to the chosen language, offering a flexible and accessible experience for users around the world. First, run the TurboCAD installer as an administrator. During installation, you'll see that TurboCAD now includes multiple languages in one installer. You can choose a language now or change it later inside the application. Select your preferred language from the dropdown and complete the setup. The installation may take a few moments. Once installation is complete, launch TurboCAD with your preferred workspace. TurboCAD may take a moment to load. After launch, create a new project by clicking New Drawing. Continue to the next step. Open the Help menu. The current interface language is English. Change it to another available language. Select the new language. A confirmation dialog appears. Choose Yes to proceed. TurboCAD restarts automatically. After restart, the launcher appears in the selected language. TurboCAD may take a moment to load again. Create a new project. Continue to the next step. You'll see that the interface language has been successfully updated. You can switch to any other supported language, including English, French, or German, using the same steps. Thanks for watching.